Implementing Q&A based book structure. Here's an example of a Q&A based book. This is How to Live with Bipolar by Sally Alter RN. And I know Sally well. She's one of the members in my Nonfiction Book Accelerator Facebook community. And Sally wrote a book on bipolar, very powerful and popular book, by the way. And as you can see by the subtitle, she structured it as a Q&A book, 125 questions and answers. So now let's take a peek inside. Here it goes, the table of contents. And that's a good way to see how a book is structured. Because she has 125 questions, that's a lot of questions to answer in a book. She broke it down in sections, just like the other book we just saw that was tip-based. She organizes it in parts. Part 1, bipolar basics, and then she has her different questions that she's going to answer. And if you've noticed, her chapter titles are simply the question. And you can frame it just like Sally does, putting the question as the chapter title, or the chapter title could be question 1, how do I know I have bipolar? Question 2, are there any laboratory tests for bipolar disorder? That's a fairly easy way to do it. So it's an easy way to structure or organize your overall nonfiction book. Now let's take a look at her chapter structure to show you how easy it is. Here's chapter 1. The title is simply the question, and the content is simply the answer. And look how short the answer is. That's the chapter, just 1 page. And so chapter 2 is question number 2. Are there any laboratory tests for bipolar disorder? And all she does is she answers the question. Done. Chapter 3, third question. What are the risks of undiagnosed bipolar? Real quickly. Answer is chapter 2. And that's how her entire book is organized. So as you can see, it's a really simple book structure that you can organize in a matter of minutes. That's the question and answer structure. Sally answered 125 questions, but I recommend for your first nonfiction book that you answer either 30 questions or 52 questions so that you can give them something they can implement in 30 days or a month, or they can implement in a year, 52 weeks in a year. That's how you structure a Q&A based book. Now let's take a look at a topic-based book.